Welcome back. In this video, let's check out Moshi C83 grinder from Espresso outlet. I've been talking to Espresso outlet for the last 2 years now. I always ask Joe, hey Joe, why don't you come up with large conical? So finally, Joe come up with this 83mm conical grinder from. So looking forward to unboxing it, and let's take a look. As you can see, it's pretty solid. Removable chute as well, or magnetic. And then we have actually you can do direct dosing. If not, if you want to use a dosing cup as well. So this is obviously 58mm. Okay, looks pretty nice. And bellow. Okay, you can do a single dose bellow with. If you don't want to use bellow, you just put that top. Yeah, it fits perfect. Okay, fits very nice. The bellow is definitely higher quality than some other bellows I've been using over the years. So, and what else do you need to know? 83mm, okay, conical burrs. It's about 250 watt motor. So this is conical. So comes to RPM wise, it's about 280 RPM. Okay, obviously on and off switch here. And what else all you need to know? You know what? Let me show you the inside. So as you can see, we have this spring thing, just lift it. So this is nice touch, by the way. So this is a very nice touch there. 83mm conical. Let me show you the inside close up. This is a that's 83mm, right? And also, let's take a look at the back side here as well. The spring is right inside. So this actually, you see that spot there? That is so much better than old DF grinder, that's for sure. Okay, it's a lot more precise than used to be. Look at this 83mm. I mean, obviously the 83mm is pretty large compared to 64 or 63. This niche is 63 as well. But this thing is just massive. Okay, and I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the build. I mean, as you saw earlier, the spring, the housing, they used to be DF64 grinders, DF64, the older version is a little large and it's not that precise. But this newer, Moshi 83, I mean, it's well built. Okay, build qualities are just so much better than I expected. That's for sure. It's not okay. It's about $600, $599, guys, $600. I cannot wait to make some coffee with it. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put everything back together. Ideally, you wanna season the burrs a little bit. Okay, at least you wanna go through 3 or 4 pounds before. But let's brew some coffee anyway. Okay, let's brew the coffee right away and see. I'm just gonna go through, about, I don't know, maybe 20 grams first and see. By the way, they auto stop after 30 seconds. By the way, auto stop after 30 seconds. Yeah. Pretty fast. That's for sure. But right now I'm at grind size 10. As you saw, no RDT either. There's no static. Okay, not a whole lot of static there, so man, I'm really looking forward to it. Smells fantastic, by the way. So I think we are ready. Okay, let's put some quick espresso. Let's see. Okay, again, I'm grind size number 10 right now, and see how it goes. Okay. Let's do first espresso shot with Moshi here, 83mm. I mean, grind quality is fantastic too, guys. There's no, since 83mm, it's gonna be a lot more uniform than, you know, smaller conical. That's for sure. I mean, it looks pretty even. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick temp and let's brew it. Okay, let's go. Shot wet, a little longer, but let's give it a try. Cheers, guys. Man, actually, it's fun. Oh, so this I did more like turbo shots. Okay, a little longer shot, more like 1-to-3 ratio, but looks really clean, refreshing. They're good. Okay, I have to say, I mean, they're really okay. I'm pretty impressed with this grinder. Not because I'm not just saying that because I got this grinder for free. Because I've been playing with Torrent grinder for the last 5 years now, so I know Torrent grinder pretty well. So far, this is personally my personal opinion. Comes to quality of the build, I think that's my top of my list. Okay, top of my list. I love the DF64 Gen 2. That's fantastic as well. But this conical grinder here, 83mm, I mean, overall build quality is pretty nice. Okay, I'm gonna big kudos to Joe. I think Joe did it. Okay, I'm gonna be doing a lot of live streaming with this grinder. Let's compare that to other DF grinders and other grinders I have here in my studio. I'm really looking forward to it. All right, guys, I'm gonna see you guys next time.